So, it seems to be impossible to ignore a phone with have great specification and design, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So in this video, we're gonna take a look on this device that is really worth it to buy this phone. So let's start. Before we move further, let's see what you get in the box. So, in the box you will get your device, a charging cable type A to type C, and more important, a power adapter which is capable of 80-watt fast charging. And that's it for the box. As well as the spec sheet of the phone is good. Besides, the body has aluminum frame along with back and front glass, including the weight of 183 grams. Moreover, the display side of Oppo is always good. A 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz display along with MediaTek Flagship chipset with 12 or 8 gigs RAM variant with UFS 3.1, 256GB storage, and Android 12 is installed on this phone. Camera department is not incredible, but it has a quite nice camera department. 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel macro camera, along with 32 megapixel front facing camera. The battery has the capacity of 4500 mAh along with 80-watt fast charging, which is capable of 0 to 50 in just 10 minutes and 100% in 31 minutes as advertised. Now, let's talk about some detailed review of the phone. So, the design side, it is clearly shown that the effort and detail put in the phone, and it is superb. It has an attractive glossy back with huge camera bump and the camera sensor which gives an aesthetic look. There is Oppo branding and the sides are flat. The right side there is a power button including a small green line. However, the left side there are volume rockers. On the top there is two microphones are built to make the voice quality better in phone calls, video calling and recording, etc. Bottom side there is speaker grill and Type-C port with microphone and SIM tray. Display is not a concern. As I mentioned before that Oppo makes very good displays and it has an HDR display along with having the peak brightness of 950 nits. So it will be great experience in outdoor, in sunlight. In spite of that, Oppo has its own color engine which boosts the video color, which can intelligently identify the common scenes in video and enhance the clarity. Besides that, there is a video sharpener which does some on the fly scaling like 540p video to 1080p video, which is dope. Furthermore, the display includes 120Hz that makes the display really smooth, and the cool part is the app decides what refresh rate at it will launch and it sticks to that, no auto switching. Switching to the battery compartment, the phone has 45 mAh battery. As I mentioned before, the phone has 80-watt fast charging, which is really fast. You don't have to worry about the battery life because it can do 50% of charging in just 10 minutes plus 100% in just 31 minutes. And the company claims about 600 charge cycles means 4 years of battery life. The battery life can easily use for 1 day on gaming plus web browsing, which makes it even more special in its category. These are some battery tests from GSM Arena. They had tested the phone and comes with its results, which may help you to choose your phone for yourself. And that's pretty much it for the video. I know I haven't talked about the camera stuff, but I am working on it, so stay tuned for that and let me know what you think about this phone in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.